Painting cute little animals, and so far we've painted a bunch of animals. Most recently we painted an elephant, a lion, and a peacock. And you know what? I don't actually know what I want to paint today.
I have an idea.
Yes, that's what we're doing. We both know what it is, but can you guess what today's is going to be? I've got Michelle from Miche Made here, and she is a very talented artist, but watercolor is not her typical medium.
No, I'm definitely more of a clay girly myself, but I'm so excited to be here.
Start by spritzing your watercolors. Make our brush damp, and then we're going to fill it with some sort of like a yellowy orange color. Whatever you choose is fine. And then we're going to make 2 circles that are about 2 circles apart from each other. Or 1.5. They don't have to be perfect circles because we can always round off these sharp edges with the white gel pen at the end. Wash my brush, and I'm gonna mix in a little more yellow. And right above the eyes, I'm gonna kind of scribble my brush. Give them little eyebrows.
Mine are fierce eyebrows.
That's good. They should be fierce. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the tip of our brush and we're going to kind of flick out. I'm gonna wash my brush, tap it so it's damp, and dip into some black. Outline the insides of the eyes. We're gonna touch up into the brows that we gave it. That yellow we placed down is still wet, and that's okay. We want it to move around a bit. With the black in our brush, we're gonna come up above, and we're just gonna kind of tap up and down in between the eyebrows at the top. We're gonna draw a little outline for the middle part of the mouth. We're gonna make 1 arch, then we're going to make an arch up to the left and 1 up to the right and bring it down to a point. Fill in between the eyes. At the bottom of the eyes, we're gonna come up, 2 little round parts, swoop out. Then we're going to swoop up in an arc, and we're going to color all around that with the black. Then we need to let this dry.
Or make it dry.
All right, hot tip. If you notice that after you make it dry, it's soaking up a ton of the moisture, it might just be a little bit too hot, so wave it around for a minute. Just let it cool down. Then we're going to fill our brush with a nice dark color, and I'm gonna make 2 smaller circles within the initial circles. Then we're gonna wash our brush, and I'm gonna refill it with a nice bright reddish orangey color. And then we're gonna fill that beak in. Then I'm gonna put a background in mine. And when I'm putting my backgrounds in, not really focused on perfection. Some areas it's gonna touch over, some areas it's not gonna touch at all. Once you add in the background, it's time to let it dry.
Or make it dry.
Once everything is dry, it's time to grab our white gel pens and we're going to outline everything. I'm going to give him a little extra scruff, adding highlights in the eyes, and a couple nostrils. He is so cute. Here's mine.
And here's mine. I think I love them.
They're so cute. This was a rockin' good time, but we have to hop on over and do some pottery.